So what's up, guys? It's Le Mans M3, and today is the season opener event for Good Enough Garage. So apparently there's supposed to be like 1,000+ cars there, and that, I mean, it makes it probably like one of the biggest meets in Ohio. So I'm gonna definitely clean my car up a little bit because it rained this past week and I just want to make it look a little nice. I'll probably start off with the wheels, and then we'll do it here, and then I'll move over to like one of those like self-serve washes because it's already like 70+ degrees and it's I just don't feel like dealing with the water spots. But anyways, after that we're heading down to Cincinnati. And we're meeting up with the Tri-State Bavarian group, which is obviously a bunch of BMW guys. I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of us, but they want to cruise there and park next to each other, which I don't even think is really going to work out because it's just going to be chaotic. So I'll try my best to get footage of most of the meet. I know I'm going to miss a ton of cars, but I'm probably just going to go for like the highlight cars, the stuff that I actually don't see every day. So other than that, let's get it. So we're at the Good Enough Garage pre-meet with Tri-State Bavarians.
I'll do anything for you, baby.
What's up, man? Look at them Bodies. Got 3 generations here: E36 M3, E46 M3, E92 M3. Let's go.
That's fucking story.
Type R. Oh, there's Mason.
Oh, yeah.
Mason in the M6.
Oh, dude, no way.
Yeah. We should tell him to go park next to us if he can.
Oh, it's all the freaking BMW guys.
Oh, is there more BMWs? Oh, here we go.
The E36.
Here we go. What's up, man? You're on camera.
Oh, I missed fucking. We got there. You got the good shit.
Hello. Hey, is this a wrap?
Every time I think
Hey, is this a wrap? Or is it a song?
I don't know where it went, but I think it's a wrap.
Dude, that thing's clean.
I cruised with Spoolin,
That's
Casey.
his and that F86.
I just can't.
I can see because the color match. Oh god, man. This dude shits all over my eat on YouTube. I've actually been wanting to see this in person for a while now. No.
Was that the last?
Dude, this is like goals right here. That's exactly the GT4 lip with the canners. That's exactly what I want.
Yeah, dude, Kevin would have done all the damn shit to that. He being dead, he would take blows out.
I don't know if I'd do a blower on it though.
He's selling the supercharger.
He is.
Yeah,
I don't know if I'd want to supercharge mine.
I would.
Dude, that GT4 lip just it's sold. Like I'm getting that lip.
How much is that?
That looks so good. I think it was like $500.
Maybe. I think it's $5 all day.
And then the canners too. Oh,
Dude, his charge
it looks so good. This is sweet too.
I
love
had this at
the
M-Works when I dropped my car off.
I love the blue on purple. You don't see that color combo. Kind of makes me think of like the Joker or some shit.
Yeah, he's on
The
air.
engine bay.
He's on air.
Oh, the white
that's
wheels.
That's the same air.
Bro,
setup.
he's on HREs too. Shit, dude. Sheesh. This is a sheesh car. God damn. I love
He needs a
it.
steering wheel. That's all he needs.
I love the F80s, man. I love them.
I can't wait to get one, dude. When I get one, I'm gonna actually sit in and cry.
Dude. That's a nice
I'm
one.
gonna try to get one.
Let me see the back of that car. I need to see the back of that
I'm
car.
gonna get a base though, man. I don't need nothing crazy.
Let's see the oh man. I'm not a huge fan of the duckbill, but I need that diffuser too. This car is fucking goals, man. Dude, this thing is so clean. I understand now why he won Best BMW.
I know. It's got some
This
really
thing is
good-
so clean. I want that diffuser too, like fuck. And you got the skirts too. This thing is clean as shit too. This thing's like prime time.
Yeah, this is the one.
And you got Mason over here with this shit box on.
No, this is the other one.
Oh my god. So nice.
This was the other 6 that was parked here. I don't know where he went.
No, yeah.
Oh yeah, I know him.
Yeah.
Why'd he move?
Huh?
Why'd he move?
It's nuts.
What, not cool enough?
I think he might have been
how
parked by
far.
Nightfall. I cruised with Nightfall too.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Oh,
Because
gotcha.
this is Casey, and then Nightfall's over there, so I cruised with them.
Man, the BMW gang is just fucking showing up today.
Yeah. This one's a little. 128's like $9 grand.
Do they make
Power?
Yo, we got an M6 over here. With them fucking 22s. Dude, those are like fucking,
Hondas on it?
yeah. God, how big are those?
Probably 22s. Yeah, 22s.
22s,
That's crazy. That's the
Jesus
same size wheel I
Christ.
had on my
That's too
Jeep.
much. Like 20s, okay, but 22, Jesus. I like the color though. Is that Le Mans? It looks like Le Mans. No, that has like a purplish look to it.
What color is this?
It has like a
got
purple tint to it. I don't know.
Might be alright.
I'm still trying to learn my BMW
Blues
colors.
are so hard, man. The blues are so hard. She's on a tire.
She is. It's probably an N54. Oof. Got some fat ass tires
I
on the
wonder what
back.
this thing's making.
I don't know,
I'd
but
say probably over 8. It's got tire.
oh yeah.
oh shit, I just walked past the orange.
Yeah. This 300 ZX though. It's fucking
You never know nowadays.
Yes. Got some R8. This thing's clean too. Bronze wheels.
Look at
If I was to buy an R8, this would be the spec I'd do. Like bronze wheels, white, carbon fiber, all day.
That's got carbon face coverage too.
All day. I love how these are like affordable too. Like as far as like a supercar standpoint,
Even
they're pretty
the
still
V8s,
affordable.
the first gen V8s are super good.
This color though, I'm digging it. It's fucking sweet. We got a row of S14s here. Alright, this Corolla is pretty dope, not gonna lie.
Hey, I ain't done your feet.
Alright. That thing's clean.
Yes, I did. That's Stravi's cappuccino.
It is.
Love. Evo. Gotta appreciate an Evo too. I like the green. That's a nice touch. Bro, this 720S. Oh my lord. I love that car, dude. That thing is clean.
That's a 765 LT.
Oh, that's even better, bro.
God.
That's like what, 600,000 right there. I love the center exhaust too. Dude, that thing is
blows
so
the 720
clean.
out of the water. Like that makes the 720S kind of feel special.
Right.
Hey, he's got money.
I wish it wasn't.
money.
I wish it wasn't
Montana
raining,
business
so I could
rates.
take pictures.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing is so clean. Oh my goodness. Sorry for my shot. Hey, I love your color.
Thanks, bro.
So nice.
How's the business going? Love it. Me too, brother.
Must be fucking nice, man.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good.
I suck.
No, you're good.
I did a cruise with this kid. He's really cool. He works for Dedicated.
I'll get it in a second.
I'm in front of the Supra, bro.
I would just he got close. I tried to
Bro, is that a Supra? Is that a Tommy? Let's check out this E36.
the metal. It's a good, bro. So I think some of us are going to top off if you want to pay next year. Off balance right now. Busy right now. It's a roll. I'm at the dance room. You guys have a reservation. Call them up right now.
Ferrari 570.
That's a very nice spec class.
Oh yeah, it's like the classic, the black and orange. I'm gonna check out that. I'm gonna check out that Scud. You don't see these that often either. The Scud? No, you never see those. I love the roll cage on that, dude. Oh. Oh shit. It's the VIP section, I guess. That's what I want next. That GT3 right there, just a normal GT3. That's what I want next.
What's special about that?
Well, it's on RS. It's just a, you know.
That's the part I have.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your content. Lovely. Guy or whatever. These guys are all over the fucking place.
488.
Yeah. keeps getting better and better. I'm pretty sure this is Sam. Dude,
The 600 LT.
no.
Is this 675?
It's, oh wait, maybe. He doesn't have the hood scoop thing on it though, but still, yeah, the 600
Too
LT.
many cars now, man.
Yeah,
They have too many
It's clean.
special, quote unquote special editions. Man, look at my little split, bro. Alright,
I know. It's been like that though. Yeah. I finally got to see this in person though. I saw it before when it was actually just all black, but when he did the wide body
That's
and
a different
everything.
car. He has two. He bought this from a SEMA show. He had this delivered in California. He has two of them, dude. He has two. He has the gloss black one that's on air as well.
Just goals, man. This is the ultimate dream right here. Ventador? No. That's like,
I'll take, okay, so between the McLaren GT and that M4, I'll take the M4 over that McLaren GT.
really? Dude, out of all these
nice.
cars here, I would take that fucking
I think that's 675.
Yeah,
or
dude, that thing is
765.
that thing is crazy. God, I love how girthy these are.
That's hard.
It's so wide, dude. I was on the highway one time and he passed me in this, and I was like,
Sweet, man.
fuck.
I've had these wraps for a long time. I wonder when I'll switch them up.
I don't know. They've been
They're
out
good,
since
though.
they've been out what, since 2011? Oh,
Dude, they bought these brand new when they first launched. They're all one car.
right.
Took them all at the same time.
So I kind of lost some footage just because it started raining and got a little cold, so we left. But you know, I had to fill her up. This is my second home, so this is my first kind of vlog style video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But I got some more meets coming up, so I'll definitely get some footage of that. So until next time.